Hello folks, KamilSec here. I put together this short video to show or demonstrate how you can use AI to analyze your vulnerability scan directly in Excel if you work as an ISSO or information system security officer, or you work as a vulnerability management analyst or specialist that you have to do a scan analysis based off Excel. Now you can use the AI, Copilot within Excel to do the scan analysis without the need for you to do a manual scan or using a pivot table. All right, so now let's see how that works. All right, so we're gonna within the Excel spreadsheet, if you have a Copilot license, you're gonna see the Copilot icon displayed towards the upper right hand corner, right? So when you click on it, you open it up. This is how you're going to see it. Now, the thing is, you have to make sure you have a good prompt. If you are, following the trend in AI, prompting or prompt engineering is the biggest deal within the AI. Because if you don't have a good prompting skill, you might not be able to use the AI effectively. All right, so to do this, I have already made prompts that I, use for the scan analysis. And I'm going to copy paste it here, and you see how that will take effect on the spreadsheet. So I copy and I will paste the prompt that I have here, and then let's look at how Copilot will do the scan analysis on this spreadsheet. So here it says act as an information system security officer, conduct a scan analysis of the scan report, and show me unique plugins and the affected host. Consolidate all the risk and the unique host within a unique plugin. I also want you to have, plugin ID, host, the risk, synopsis, solution, and plugin output on a new downloadable Excel sheet. Also give me a dashboard with histogram, bar chart, pie chart, and the amount of critical, high, moderate, or low vulnerability within the report. The dashboard should be within the same Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to fix it within the same Excel spreadsheet. So this is what we call the prompt, right? So I'm telling Copilot what I want and, how I want it. Now, if you don't have a good prompt, you might not be able to do a good scan analysis using the Copilot. All right, so now let's hit go and see how Copilot will perform its magic. All right, so Copilot is still doing the analysis here. As we can tell, it says analysis. So here is the approach. So Copilot is done. It says, here's how I approach your request as an information system security officer. Scan approach says extract all unique plugin IDs and consolidated each with the affected host. For each unique plugin ID host pair, I gathered what the risk level, the synopsis, the solution, the plugin output. That's exactly how we prompted it, right? Now, the dashboard creation. I calculated the total number of vulnerabilities by risk level. That is the word critical, high, medium, and low. The dashboard in the Excel file include a histogram of vulnerability by risk level and a bar chart for visual comparison. And then we also have a pie chart showing the risk distribution. All right, so now we can go ahead and download the consolidated scan report analysis. All right, so here we go. It has conducted the scan analysis for us. Now, if you take a look at the plugin section, you notice that the plugin section has some sort of duplicate here, right? We have duplicates, multiple plugins. That is not what we want. We want to be able to see a unique plugin, and then the hosts that are affected will be displayed instead of displaying them in a vertical form like this, right? All right, so now let's try to prompt it again and see if it can kind of group this in a unique plugin ID, and then the number of affected hosts will just be displayed in a single row. All right, let's see that. Don't save. All right, so now we're going to prompt it with another prompt. All right, so I see that there are still duplicate plugins, so we can say plugin IDs. Can you consolidate and make them unique plugin IDs and keep everything else the same? All right, so now let's see how Copilot will respond to this. All right, so now we have another downloadable spreadsheet to look at. It's a unique plugin ID scan report analysis with dashboard. Okay, so we're going to click on that. And then we open this. All right, so yeah, right off the bat, we can see that all the duplicate have been taken care of. So I'm not seeing any more duplicate here. So this looks good. So we have a good scan analysis here, and the hosts have been put together on the same row. All right, so we can let's do enable editing here. So here we can do wrap text here, so we can put everything close together. So let's do wrap text. Okay, here you go. All right, and now we have the synopsis. We have the plugin output and so on and so forth. So this is exactly what we asked it to do, and it has done it for us. Okay, but if you look at it, you notice that the risk column, it is not well organized. We have critical, high, low, medium. All right, so now we want to give it another prompt that says, can you, for the risk column, if you can sort by critical, high, medium, and a low, so that we have a clean cut, scan analysis. Okay, so let's close out of this, and we go back to our main raw scan. Now we're going to give it another prompt for it to fix the column that says risk. All right, so here we have sort the data by risk, right? By the risk column. So we're going to say the risk column, and then we say, critical, high, medium, and low. And we also going to tell it delete all the none and empty rows within the risk column. All right, so now let's see how this will shape our scan analysis spreadsheet. So now that we've given it the command to sort it out, so now let's download it and see how it looks like. All right, so now we can see that this has been downloaded. All right, let's take a look and see if this whole thing has been sorted correctly. So remove this here. Okay, so here you go. Now, you notice that this has been sorted correctly for us. We have the critical, the high, the medium, and the low, in that order. So now you can see that the scan report has been cleaned up for us. All right, so now when you take a look at the dashboard, see the dashboard that was created, so here we have the vulnerability by risk. Okay, now we can modify it a bit here, make it bigger. Okay, let's move this down some more. All right, so we can adjust the size of this here. So we have vulnerability by risk, and we have 21 count of the critical. We have 38 count of the high, and the medium is 45. The low is 8. Right. Okay. So we can also adjust this here, make it a little bit bigger. All right, and that will be the pie chart for the scan analysis. Okay. So we can drag it here and make it a bit bigger. And likewise, we can also edit this side here for the histogram, make it a bit bigger. All right. Now, we can also adjust the size of the histogram, and that will be the visuals. Now, it depends on your organization. If your organization will want something that will show the host, or that will show the IP address, or whatever it is that you want to see, that's what you're going to prompt your AI to do for you. So this is a quick explanation of what you can do with AI, specifically Copilot, to do a quick scan analysis, and you can have your scan report well cleaned up and also create a dashboard for you. So the takeaway here is you have to be a very good prompter. You have to know your prompt engineering skills. Your prompt engineering skills should be up to par in order for you to use the AI to do your scan analysis. All right. That will be the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one, and enjoy your holidays.